Our Standard Motor Products Incorporated facility, located in Greenville, South Carolina, is dedicated to manufacturing the highest quality auto parts in our state-of-the-art facility. Here in Greenville, our highly trained team performs quality control procedures and implements many cutting-edge processes to ensure a superior quality product reaches our customers. This facility produces fuel injectors for the OE and OES markets, as well as traditional and non-traditional channels. Our process begins by forming the nozzle and pintle. First, they are cut into their rough forms by machine from blank bars of stainless steel. The bore and seat of the nozzles are internally ground by machine to prevent leakage. The pintles are then sized by a grinder and spot-checked for accuracy. Then a robotic arm loads the pintles into a magazine so it can be capped. Next, a machine precisely match grinds the two pieces within 50 microns, and then the nozzle and pintle are brought together. In another area, we produce the plates that control fuel flow. Holes are burned into the plates in specific patterns based on the application. These holes need to be exact to allow the injector to deliver a precise amount of fuel based on a specific flow pattern. The plates are tested for proper flow, then cleaned in an ultrasonic bath, and then vacuum dried. The body, O-rings, and shaft are assembled and then placed on a rotating table. This table tests to ensure that the parts are properly pressed together, have electrical continuity, and then bends the electrical terminals into place. We can now attach electrical connectors to the injector body. Finally, the electrical and hydraulic parts are joined, checked for flow, calibrated, and sent to packaging. Throughout our facility, a strong effort is made to recycle fluids, metals, and any other reusable materials. Standard Motor Products understands the need to minimize our impact on the environment and reduce waste for future generations. Standard Motor Products Incorporated brings quality and integrity to the market through every product offering. The SMP Global Standard offers quality leadership and delivery, a comprehensive distribution network, and guaranteed customer satisfaction, so that you can rest assured SMP products are the right choice.